Good day, my dear friends. Moving on with the kebab series, today I will walk you through the preparation of jackfruit kebabs. This is a total bonanza for vegetarians as they do not find many options in a barbecue party. So let's see how we go about it. For this, we need to take the green, unripe variety of jackfruit. I simply boil the jackfruit and drain the extra water out of it. One thing you have to take care is that, see, this type of skin we need to take out. Now we will blend them in a food processor. I have minced it properly.
Take 2 teaspoons of oil. Roast 2 tablespoons gram flour till very nice aroma starts coming out of it. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon green chili. I think it is roasted now. Very nice aroma is coming out of it. Add lots of finely chopped coriander and mint leaves. Now I will add my minced jackfruit to it. Finally, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Gram flour will help us bind our kebabs and give it a nutty flavor. So we take it out in a bowl like this and allow it to cool for some time. In the meantime, we will quickly make a filling to add some more proteins to it. Take 1 teaspoon of oil and saute half a cup of onions into it. Add half cup peas, half cup Indian cottage cheese, that is paneer, but my vegan friends can always substitute it with crumbled tofu. Add very little salt and that is it. Take it out in a bowl. Now our mixture has come to the normal temperature. We will add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in it and mix it well. Let's make the kebabs now. We put some oil in our hands.
You can make a simple kebab like this, whatever shape and size you prefer. And the other way is, if we want to make the kebabs with fillings, we make 2 small patties like this and just flatten it on our palms. Fill the filling like this. Just keep the other patty on top of it and just try and seal the ends of it, and very good kebabs come out. As you can see, we have prepared all our kebabs like this. I will just put these kebabs in the oven, but the barbecue lovers can grill them in their barbecue grills. These kebabs are going in the oven. We'll be back soon.
See, they have really come out well, golden brown from both the sides. I had kept the oven at 250 degrees centigrade and flipped these kebabs once in between. Now I have set the platter with my favorite veggies so they don't feel left behind.
Do try these kebabs, and I hope you enjoy these kebabs as much as I enjoyed making them. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Many more kebabs coming up, so stay tuned. Bye-bye.